So, today our topic is chemical analysis. Like in physics, there is a chapter where we analyze the matters of what they are made of, like in dimension, uh, which help us to find like what actually component, what are the fundamental quantities, the certain force is made of mass and the acceleration, and the same the way we have chemical analysis to determine what the chemical is made of. Like under the chemical analysis, it is of two types. One is quantitative, and one is qualitative. By the name we already understanding what it meant. Like quantitative will mean quantity, and the quantitative will mean quality. Like in the quantitative we gonna discuss like what is it made of, what no, I mean in the qualitative we gonna discuss like what is it made of, like a chemical is made, what a certain chemical content by the different process. Like there are experiment which we can held and determine what the certain chemical is a content of, like NaCl is made of NaCl, and we perform the different experiment to determine what it is actually made of. And then there is our quantitative, right? Quantitative in the quantitative we determine what are the things, matlab, how many volume of substance, like how many volume of substance is present in that solution by the different experimentation. And the quantitative is of two types. One is quantitative analysis is of two types, one is volumetric, and then there is a gravimetric. Talking about the volumetric analysis, it is of four types. And they are neutralization analysis, complexometric, and there is precipitation, and in the last there is a redox. These are the types of the volumetric analysis. And then we have a let's gravimetric analysis for the upcoming and discuss about the volumetric analysis. Volumetric analysis is simply that how many volume is present in that react in that chemical, and we determined it by the different experimentation process. Like if you have one done experiment, you need to, I cannot say the experiment, but I can say what is it. Let's talk about the neutralization. uh, by the way, neutralization, uh, these are the things like we do to determine the quantity of the chemical. For the different chemical we have different types of the titration. On the basis of reaction the solution, we have different types of titration. Like neutralization analysis, in the neutralization analysis it is basically for the salt and acid and base, is for acid and base. And then the complexometric is for the metal ions reacting with EDA to make a complex like EDTA. EDTA is a long name for chemical. I can't remember back it, but let's see what was it meant. The long name is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. EDTA is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. And then there is a in third it is precipitation titration, which is done to determine the ion with the insoluble, like I forget why is precipitation titration done. I haven't written that. I forgot. And the redox reaction is simply for the loss and gas of the reactor. I think it is made for the iron with insoluble. Let's talk about tomorrow for that.